In this video, I will show you how to watch YouTube or Netflix videos on the infotainment system of this 4th generation Kia Sportage. First, start your vehicle and go to the infotainment system settings. Tap on Setup, then tap Connectivity. Under Connectivity settings, tap on WebLink. Then tap Enable WebLink. Next, to prevent conflicts, you will need to disable both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Tap Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on the left menu and make sure both of them are disabled. Now on your smartphone, download and install the WebLink Host app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you have an iPhone. This app is essential for mirroring your phone to the infotainment screen. Once the app is installed, launch the app and accept terms and conditions. Then use a USB cable to connect your phone to the vehicle's USB port. WebLink icon will appear on the home screen of the infotainment system. Tap on it to launch WebLink. It says that you must connect your phone to the infotainment system via Bluetooth if you want the audio to play through the vehicle sound system. Now tap the Cast option. On your phone, a screen casting pop-up will appear. Tap Start Now. Now you will have to grant all required permissions to the WebLink on your phone. To give Manage Overlay permission, tap on Settings on the pop-up. Scroll down and enable WebLink Host app. Now grant WebLink accessibility permission. Tap on Agree on the pop-up. Then select WebLink Host. Turn on the feature and tap on Allow when a pop-up appears. Next, you will have to grant notification access permission. Tap on Settings on the pop-up. Then enable WebLink Host app. Now that all the necessary permissions have been granted, tap Cast on the infotainment screen, then tap Start Now on the phone. Your phone screen will now mirror on the infotainment screen. To use the YouTube app, just tap on its icon. You can now watch your favorite YouTube videos on the infotainment system of your Kia Sportage. One more interesting thing. The YouTube video playback is not disabled while driving. However, you should avoid watching videos while driving. It's not safe. To watch Netflix, just open the Netflix app. Since this is full screen mirroring, you're not limited to just YouTube or Netflix. You can open any app on your phone and see it on the infotainment screen. For example, I can watch live CCTV cameras of my residence while on the move. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to WeezeJoint for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching.